Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cello, hello. And today this is what we're cooking, chicken pesto pasta. Okay, so these are the ingredients for today's meal. I actually did 2 meals this day. I did chipotle bowls as well as chicken pesto pasta, but I just decided to record the chicken pesto. Don't shoot me, please. Okay, so first off, we're gonna start by cleaning our chicken. I'm gonna clean each chicken breast individually, like you're supposed to, and then I also squeeze some lime juice off camera to really clean the chicken, you know. So after cleaning said chicken, I sliced them in half and then I cut them up into itty bitty cubes. When you cut up the chicken breast, you gotta make sure to get all that nasty fat off. I mean, fat is flavor, but in this case, I really didn't need it because I wanted all the flavor to come from the seasoning and the sauce.
She wanna call me asking favors. Still I'm on the hunt for different flavors. While my mind is here deciding right or wrong. Did I mess up all along? As I scroll up looking through my older pictures. Bitches wasn't nothing from for me or just my riches. Now I get suspicious all from being so ambitious. Now I see the suckle vicious searching for satisfaction.
Okay, that's the chicken all cut up. And after that, I'm gonna toss it in some olive oil and start seasoning it with my favorite seasoning: salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, Tony's, you know, the norm. Once everything is tossed up, I'm gonna go to my skillet, use some more olive oil, do a spoonful of minced garlic, let that brown a little bit, and we're gonna add our chicken to the pan to cook it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. While the chicken is browning, I went on ahead and put on a pot of water, salt, and olive oil so I can boil me 2 cups of the penne protein pasta. And I'm just gonna pour it in said boiler. And it really only took like 8 to 10 minutes. And it was like done. Next up, I'm going to take that packet of grape tomatoes and I'm just gonna cut them in half so I can add them to my pasta later. Okay, now that the tomatoes are cut up, I'm gonna add the tomatoes, a can of green beans to a skillet, and I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper. You shouldn't start time my soul. Yeah, that's why you for the team. Sold 100 and I switched to a beamer. Shitting on these niggas. Okay, so once everything is done, I'm gonna put it in a pot, and I added this pesto sauce I found at Kroger, and I just mixed it together and let it simmer, and this is the finished product. Get into it. Yes, this meal was so delicious. I loved eating every bit of it. And this particular week, I also paired it with the Chipotle bowls, which I ended up not filming on camera. I made my homemade corn salsa, ground chicken, sour cream, black beans, and yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Deuces.